fòyìn sẹ́nu ká tutọ́.
A kì í rí bí ìrọ̀rùn tú dànù.
A kì í rí bí ìrọ̀rùn tú dànù.
Káàbọ̀.
From my desk, I remember a time when theatre was not inside the building. It was in the open, in the village square, where the Egungun masquerade entertained entire communities. As children, we gathered in excitement long before the masquerade appeared. The drumming would begin first. Then the masquerade started to dance, backed by drummers, and the crowd joined in the celebration. This was what we later came to know as the Opening Glee in the theatre. Soon the performance started. The masquerade called out, transformed now as a lion, and jumped about, followed by the handlers. The crowd screamed and shouted in excitement. And later, the lion went back under improvised curtain in public view. And when the drum and singing changed, you could guess what was next. A huge snake now crawled out, the ojola, the boa constrictor, and opens the huge and long jaws, trying to find the victim to swallow. But it was rumored that if it rained and the water touched the performer, it could no longer change back to human form, but would crawl into the forest to live there permanently. These performances were theatre long before theatre had walls. Later, pioneers like late Chief Yoruba Theatre and the other great dramatists took the tradition into the modern theatre. The audiences now bought tickets, and so was born the Yoruba Traveling Theatre. From the Egungun Arena to the theatre stage, to radio, to television, to cinema, and perhaps Nollywood, Yoruba theatre has endured. It continues to entertain, to educate, and sometimes to correct society. And from my desk, I remember where it all began. My name is Tunde Kelani, TK, Ireneo.